these two have just shown up on my front doorstep today, and you all know what it is, what they are. So, I haven't been keeping up with, I haven't been telling you guys much lately, but I have been getting some coaches for my Empire State Express. As you can see, coming by now. So I wanted to get these coaches for this engine because this engine is very special since it's rare and all, and yeah, it's just a very special engine. Anyways, I'm gonna let it come back around before I start the unboxing. Here it comes. Alright, now let's get straight into this. We'll use some scissors, or can I use scissors to open this? I can feel the box right here. Yeah, let me use scissors right here. These scissors aren't sharp enough, are they? There we go. It's packed in a Amazon box, which is fine. Let's see if I can push it. Yes, I can. This is... Alright. This is a dining car. Is it? Yep, it's a diner. Alright. So, for the record, these two are going to be IHC, but the three that I have behind the Empire State Express Hudson are all River Rossi, even though these are River Rossi too, but they were mainly for IHC, so they're basically the same. There we go. Let's have a look at this coach. Alright, piece of paper fell out. Oh, okay. Some IHC instructions and whatnot. That'll come in handy. Alright. Wow. Really, really nice coach. I love it. Alright. So, did he say IHC or River Rossi anywhere? Huh. Oddly enough, they don't. I was expecting to say it, but oh well. It is what it is, I suppose. Okay. Now let's open this one up. Be right back. Alrighty. This one's sealed pretty good. Ooh. Well, without covering my information up, I was too lazy to take off the label. Alright, I got it open. It's kind of hard. Alright, and this is the Vistadome, or Vistadome, however you say it. Alright, take it out of the box. East Coast, pretty nice. Is that interior? I think that sorta is interior in the dome there. You can't see it, but yeah. This looks really nice. He did say it was brand new. I think the dining car was used. You know what? I don't hardly see a mark on these wheels. Wow. He did say it was brand new. This looks This looks like it's been untouched. Anyways. And we'll put these behind the Empire State Express now. Okay, get the Empire State Express Hudson to move forward just a bit. And put the rest of the coaches on. And we'll start with the diner. See how real. Oh, wow. This thing freewheels so nicely. Wow. Okay, now that's a couple moves back. Now the Vista Dome. So, yeah, put it this way. How was this free? Oh, wow. This one freewheels so nicely. Alright. It's a pretty long train. Alright, let's see if the Empire State Express can couple. And she has. Alright. Let's look at the whole train. Oops, sorry. There's the engine. And there are already coaches. Wow. So nice. Now, I do not have any baggage cars. I don't have the full lot. Since that, these coaches are kind of hard to find. So, yeah, hopefully I'll find more in the future. We'll have to see. Alright, let's take it away. Oh no, we lost the activation card. 1 second. There we go. Now we should be good. Alright. So that'll be just about it for this video. It's really fun having the Empire State Express haul its own train like I wanted it to. So yeah, I used to have it pulling two. The first two was right there that came. That one came recently, and the first two that's in front of the train just came today. So yeah, it's been really fun. I don't know if I'll be able to get the full consist. Like I said, these coaches are tough to find. Well, hopefully I'll find more eventually. So yeah. Thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.